Last year in August 2015 it was, I made a stencil out of silk clay. I made a video of that and I put an iCard here in this video so you can watch that video too. I also will put a link in the description below on YouTube. I torn the stencil from the silk clay, so now here the stamp is ready so I can use it. And here it is. It's been a while, so I remember that I made a card with it, but what I did exactly, I have no clue. I made this video in August and I got very sick at that moment, so I forgot completely about all those recordings I made and the things I made. But I will try to remember what I did. I know I used all kinds of paint, alcohol paint, acrylic paint, homemade spray paint, brushio, textile paint, how do we call that? Well, I first used brushio in different blue and purple and green colors. Then I dried it and I sprayed some home paint on it, I guess. And now I am dripping some alcohol paint and some acrylic paint. I'm applying that with my fingers. Now I'm using, I said textile paint, but I meant paint you use on fabric. Nice green color. And dry it again. Now I'm using some white acrylic paint just to blend the colors a bit. Here I'm mixing some brushio with water so I can use it as a paint. I splatter and drip with that. And now it's time for the stamp with archival ink. Cleaning the stamp here. And here I'm applying some details with Posca pen. With a watercolor black pencil, choral pencil I think it is, I'm drawing some circles, and with my water pencil I'll wet it. It's a kind of bird nest I'm trying to make. These circles are becoming some eggs, symbolic eggs of course. Here I'm using a molding past to make the eggs. I heat it with a heat gun, so the dots of molding past will bubble up, so they look like sort of eggs, scrambled eggs. You see them pop up. Here I'm giving the eggs some color. With a Versamark pencil, pen, I'm applying a bit of structure on the stamp, on the bird, and with embossing powder, clear embossing powder. I give it some depth. Just doodling some details. And here I decide to draw a tree with a branch so the bird is not floating in the air. With Posca pens I give it some color, white and green. Just giving it some highlights and a bird eye, and I think the card is ready now. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe and leave a comment. I appreciate that. Thank you.